In today's video, I will walk you through how to turn off autoplay on Spotify. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once the app is loaded, make sure the window is large enough to clearly see the top right corner. In the top right corner, click your profile icon. This is the small circle showing your avatar or a generic silhouette. After you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several account-related options. From the menu, choose Settings. This will take you to the Settings page, where you can adjust Spotify's audio and playback preferences. On the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Autoplay section. You'll see the Autoplay option along with a description explaining that it continues playing similar tracks when your music ends. When you find the Autoplay option, toggle the switch off. The switch should change its state to show that Autoplay is disabled. That's all you need to do. There's no need to restart the app because the change takes effect right away. From now on, when your current album or playlist finishes, playback will stop instead of continuing with suggested songs. Your up next queue will simply run out, and Spotify won't automatically generate additional tracks to keep the music playing. If you ever want continuous playback again, return to the same spot in settings and toggle autoplay back on. That's all you need to do to turn off autoplay on Spotify and stop playback from continuing with suggested tracks after your album or playlist ends. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching.